I'm gonna install one of the UFO lights off of this beam up here. I'm using the bracket and I'm using 2 1.25" with a couple washers. Now that the bracket is installed, I can install the light using the 2 screws, washers, and lock washer. I have this eye hook that I'm gonna screw in next to it, and I'll be able to clip it on just in case. I guess this is safety in case it falls, so safety first. Now we can clip this carabiner on there. We got the safety line attached. And we have light.